Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best cordless mini chainsaws under $100. These compact and portable chainsaws are designed for light to medium duty tasks such as pruning branches, cutting firewood, and maintaining your yard. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. I included all product links in the description box. Without further ado, let's dive right into the highly anticipated top 5 lists. Number 1. Saker Portable Mini Chainsaw. The Saker Mini Chainsaw stands out for its small and lightweight design. Its compact size allows for easy handling and maneuverability, making it ideal for reaching tight spots and awkward angles that larger chainsaws can't access. Whether you're trimming branches or sculpting hedges, this chainsaw will be your go-to tool. Don't be fooled by its size, the Saker Mini Chainsaw packs a punch. With its high-quality electric motor, it delivers impressive cutting power that effortlessly tackles branches up to a substantial diameter. You can trust this chainsaw to make clean and precise cuts without compromising on performance. Safety is a top priority when working with any cutting tool, and the Saker Mini Chainsaw is designed with this in mind. It features a double switch system to prevent accidental startups, providing peace of mind during operation. Additionally, the ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue and improving control. Number 2. Greenworks 40V Mini Cordless Compact Chainsaw. The Greenworks 40V chainsaw delivers impressive cutting power. Powered by a 40-volt lithium-ion battery, this chainsaw effortlessly tackles branches and limbs with a diameter of up to 12 inches. Its robust motor ensures smooth and precise cuts, allowing you to complete your tasks efficiently. The chainsaw operates cordlessly, offering unparalleled freedom of movement. This feature proves particularly valuable during storm cleanup, where maneuverability is essential. With this chainsaw, you can navigate through debris and fallen branches without any hassle. The compact and lightweight design of the Greenworks 40V chainsaw makes it incredibly easy to handle. Whether you're trimming branches in your backyard or venturing into the wilderness, this chainsaw won't weigh you down. Its portable nature allows for effortless transportation and storage, making it an excellent choice for camping trips or remote locations. While this may seem like a limitation, it actually offers versatility to those who already own other Greenworks 40V tools. Number 3. Ttock Mini Cordless Chainsaw. The Mini Chainsaw Cordless 6-inch stands out for its compact size and lightweight construction. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, allowing for easy maneuverability in tight spaces. Whether you're trimming branches or cleaning up fallen debris, this chainsaw provides excellent control and precision. Maintaining the chain's lubrication is crucial for smooth operation and durability. The Mini Chainsaw Cordless 6-inch features an automatic oiler that lubricates the chain and bar while you work. This ensures optimal performance and prolongs the lifespan of the chainsaw. You can focus on your tasks without worrying about manually oiling the chain. The Mini Chainsaw Cordless 6-inch is suitable for both beginners and experienced users. It features a straightforward operation with a simple on-off switch, allowing for quick and hassle-free use. Number 4. Zeke Saw Cordless Mini Chainsaw. The Zeke Saw Mini Chainsaw packs an astonishing amount of power into its compact 6-inch design. Its high-efficiency motor delivers exceptional cutting performance, allowing you to effortlessly tackle branches, logs, and other materials. This mini electric chainsaw proves that size is no barrier when it comes to power and efficiency. Weighing in at just the right balance of lightweight and durable, the Zeke Saw Mini Chainsaw is designed with user convenience in mind. Its compact size and ergonomic handle make it easy to carry and operate for extended periods. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this chainsaw's portability ensures comfortable and efficient use. It features a simple one-button operation, making it easy to start and stop the chainsaw with minimal effort. The chain tensioning system is toolless, enabling quick and hassle-free adjustments. With these user-friendly features, even beginners can use this chainsaw confidently. Number 5. RLSOO Cordless Mini Chainsaw. This Mini Chainsaw 6-inch is engineered with a compact and lightweight design, making it easy to handle and maneuver. Its ergonomic grip ensures a comfortable hold, allowing for precise control during tree trimming and wood cutting tasks. With this chainsaw, you can reach tight spaces and tackle challenging angles effortlessly. This chainsaw comes with 2 batteries, ensuring a continuous power supply for extended periods. Each battery offers a generous run time, allowing you to complete your cutting tasks without interruption. Whether you're working on a large project or need to make multiple cuts, this chainsaw will keep up with your demands. It features a simple one-button operation, allowing for easy start and stop. The tool-less chain tensioning system simplifies maintenance, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner, this chainsaw is straightforward and hassle-free to use. Thank you for watching my video. If you found it helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my daily videos. If you're looking for more information or want to know the price of a particular product, check out the description box below. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Remember, life is short, so why not make it easier with cool products?